I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates were down slightly again on Tuesday after the Federal Reserve said it was going to leave unchanged the short-term interest rates which it controls. It also reaffirmed it would no longer directly purchase home mortgages after March 31st. Since the decision had been expected, there was little reaction in the financial markets to the news. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4.75% with 2.25 points, down 1/8 of a point from Monday, for a savings of $125 on a $100,000 loan. The 5% rate is at 7/8 of 1 point, also down 1/8 of a point from a day earlier. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was unchanged, with the 4.25% rate still at 1.38 points. The 4.38% rate remains at 3/4 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and/or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. February housing starts fell to a level of only 575,000, close to the 4-month average, after having been upwardly revised for January. Today, we will see February producer prices, which are expected to have fallen slightly after having been sharply higher a month earlier. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here later today for my next free mortgage rate update.